Hey guys, it's Bridget with San Diego Seed Company, and I am super excited, which basically I am every video, so I don't know if you're noticing a theme, but today I'm particularly excited because apparently we're gonna hit 20K in followers, 20,000 followers. I can't even fathom what that means. Why are 20,000 people watching our videos? I've got no idea, but I'm so happy that you're willing to spend a little bit of time to follow us and learn about our gardening journey and let me help you in your gardening journey and just be a part of our quirky everyday life here on the farm with Nepali and Moana and my amazing husband who jumps in and does funny little cameos and then jumps back out.
Randall.
I don't know what that is, but he's a little shy. But I'm so just blessed and beyond grateful that you guys are willing to let me be a part of your gardening journey and have a small little part, hopefully, in your success. That means a lot to me. When I started the seed company 10 years ago, I started it because I saw a need, and over time that has evolved into a mission to inspire, educate, and support 1 million urban farmers and gardeners around the world, really. It is a way in which I believe that we can reconnect with Earth and be more conscientious about our everyday life and be better to one another. Because I'll tell you, when you have 1 million zucchinis in the garden, you're gonna share with your neighbor, no matter how much you may or may not like them. It does make us better people to be gardeners. So before I get too emotional, I just wanna thank you all for being a part of our journey, and hopefully we can make it a very long journey together and we can continue to grow. So in that light, I'm very excited that we're gonna do a giveaway for our 20,000 followers. To enter that giveaway, you need to comment on this video and you need to join our mailing list. That's very important because our mailing list is how we announce who the winner is. So you can sign up to be a part of our newsletter, which is amazing and will help you be a better gardener because it gives tips and tricks on what you should be planting, harvesting, and everything you need to know. So what are we gonna be giving away? Well, let's hop into it and I'll show you. So I'm very excited that we're going to be giving away a brand new product, which we're gonna need some tomatoes for. So let me do a little harvesting here. Get some of these delicious goodies. All right. Now, so excited that we just got these brand new, come back here. We have these brand new pickling salts that have been specially formulated for San Diego Seed Company. So what's really cool is you can see they were packaged just for us by the Old Town Spice and Tea merchants in Temecula. And what I love about these is we've been using these for years. And this is actually a refrigerator pickle pack, which means that you can simply pour this into warm water, dilute it. You put in vinegar if you like. You can put in your cucumbers and then you can put those in a jar, put them in the fridge. You have refrigerator pickles, something super simple. Absolutely a bomb spice mix. And so this is part of the giveaway. We also have a pickling blend. For those of you that really like to make pickles the old-fashioned way, whether it's fermenting or actually can them, this has all the essential herbs that you need, herbs and spices to make those pickles just explode in your mouth with flavor. The other thing that we have that I'm really excited about is these amazing salts. So you think salt is salt? Oh man, you are so wrong. So we have a Chardonnay oak smoked sea salt. We have a Fleur de Sel French salt. And what makes this amazing is the salt is really crunchy because it actually forms on the surface and then it's scraped off. And so you get all these air pockets and it's just in your mouth, it's a very pleasurable experience because you get the crunch, you get the salt, and you get none of that like chemical burn that you do with just table salt. It's a really high-end sea salt, only meant for the finest produce, which I'll show you. And then lastly, we have a smoked bacon sea salt. I mean, come on, bacon, salt, what more could you want? Now, why am I giving gourmet spices and salts away? Well, because I want you to use it on your amazing produce that you're growing, and I'll show you how. So I think I'm gonna go with the smoked bacon. This is one of my favorite ways to do tomato tastings on the farm, is by actually taking a brand new fresh tomato, look at that color, and having our attendees or farm hands or anybody who's at the farm actually taste the tomatoes. First you taste them without any salt on them, and then you taste them with the salt on them. And the salt really just brings out the complexity of the flavor, actually helps your tongue register more of the sweet, of the sweet flavor. So I'm gonna try the bacon smoked. And I don't know if you can see the texture of this salt. It's very crunchy and coarse. It's not a fine salt. So I'm gonna put this on here. And I hate to say it, but I think my videographer is gonna have to get in here and get a bite too. I mean, who needs a BLT? This is a BLT right here. I might have to pause the video for a second. Get in here, get some. You want me to hold the camera?
No, that's good.
Telling you, it's the crunch. It's the air pockets that the salt creates in conjunction with the flavor of the salt that actually brings out the sweetness on your tongue.
What kind of tomato is this?
It's called gin fizz.
That's good.
I know.
Okay, let's get back to it.
So this is another one that is very coarse and very fluffy. I don't know any other word to explain, but it's very fluffy. And actually, this is also really good salt to put on top of if you make like really good chocolate chip cookies or desserts. This high-end finishing salt really can make the difference in a sweet treat. Oh my God. You want one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that is good.
Is that amazing? It's like 10 times sweeter. Anyways, I'll quit picking out on camera now. We will be giving all of this away. So we have a refrigerator pickle kit, we have a pickling spice kit, and then we have 3 of my favorite high-end finishing salts that you can use on your garden produce or on any amazing thing that you make in the kitchen to feed your family. And we will be giving that away to one lucky winner. To be entered in the giveaway, you need to comment on this video and then make sure you sign up for our newsletter, because that is how we announce the winner, and you wouldn't want to miss out on this great giveaway. So again, from the bottom of my heart and from my videographer's heart and from everybody at San Diego Seed Company who is a part of making these videos, we all thank you for tuning in and being a part of our plan to inspire, educate, and support 1 million gardeners.